Welcome to Century House, second floor assembly. This piece is the upper floor of the 1888 version. There is another floor for the current version without the rear annex. It features various wood textures. We assemble it while protecting the staircase. We are going to assemble the floor of the rear annex with wood, beam, and tile textures. The underside features the reliefs of the porch ceilings, a piece that folds to achieve textures on both sides. The piece is assembled with 3 anchors. We place the floor hatch. We now have the entire second floor open. This elevation folds into 3 walls. We assemble its window. This is the bathroom space. These partitions delimit the space of 2 storage rooms or closets. The annex has been divided into 2 closets and a bathroom. This elevation connects the main house with the annex. There is another one for the 2025 version of the building. Let's put this closet door in. We'll attach it to the floor of the annex. There are 2 versions of the annex roof. We'll attach the kitchen chimney. Here are the intact version and another abandoned one. Let's put in the abandoned version from the 1980s. There are also 2 versions of the upper roof, the intact version and the abandoned one. We'll put the piece from the 1980s in place. Let's look at the central part of the house. We'll put the staircase handrail in place. It consists of 2 pieces that are already glued together. It's the same as the real handrail. This is the elevation of the second floor. I've already glued the pieces together. We assemble the characteristic double window on the main facade. We place the entire elevation in its anchors. There is plenty of space for your games. It would also be easy to add an LED lighting system. The interior consists of 2 main pieces with 6 doors. This is the left interior elevation. We place the doors in the wall connections. This is the right interior elevation. Its connections are different from the left. We assembled it at its 3 anchor points. Now we have finished the assembly. Everything is ready for our games or dioramas. In the next video, we will see the roof and attic pieces. Thank you for your support.